Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688, call or WhatsApp.
Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. Friends, this is our part 3 of our question answer session, and I am receiving the questions through Google form. The link of the Google form is given in the description. If you have any question, you can ask it there. These are questions which are asked before 20th November. See, there are two questions. One is from Priyanka TK and another is from Parveen, and they are from India and Bahrain. We will see individually what is the questions. The first question is from Priyanka TK from India. It is about the load flow analysis, and it has not written the question, but it has attached some image. We will see what is the image. This is the image. I will zoom it what it actually wants. Load flow calculation do not converge in the specific maximum number of iterations. For more information, okay. See, here it is 14 MVA load, and here it is 1 MVA load. Almost 15 MVA load is 15 MVA load. You can check one more thing, that 1 minute. I have made the video on that, errors in the ETAP. There is a playlist on my main channel, errors in the ETAP. There are different errors discussed in the what you generally we observe in the ETAP, and this error is also discussed there. You can watch these videos and you can see, you can find that there how you can rectify this load flow iteration, load flow calculation problem. Okay, now second question, we will see what is the second question. Second question is from Parveen from Bahrain, relay coordination, and he has not asked any question, neither he has attached any image file. So Mr. Parveen or Miss Parveen, because Parveen is a name, it can be used for both male and female. I do not know who whether is the male or female. You can ask a question, and if you have any file, you can attach the file, and I will see after that I can answer your question. Thank you.